All right, my lovelies, before we dive in, take a second to smile, because one less frown in the world is all we need right now. And if you're ready to kick sugar to the curb, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Day 1, awareness. Today, you're going to track every single bit of sugar you consume. No cheating. Check those labels and write it down. Watch my video on sugar's dirty secrets. You'll be shocked at how sneaky sugar can be. But don't worry, it's just the beginning. Day 2, clear the clutter. Go through your pantry and fridge and say goodbye to those sugary temptations. Toss or donate them, out of sight, out of mind. Replace them with healthy snacks like nuts, fruits and veggies. Day 3, hydrate. This one's simple but crucial. Often, when we think we're craving sugar, we're just dehydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water on that 3rd day. Pro tip: add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Day 4, protein power. Focus on high-protein meals. Protein keeps you full and reduces sugar cravings. Think eggs for breakfast, a protein-packed salad for lunch, and lean meats or legumes for dinner. Day 5, sweet swaps. Your body's really starting to resist now. Substitute your usual sugary treats with natural alternatives. Craving something sweet? Grab a piece of fruit or a handful of berries. Want something crunchy? Try some carrot sticks or celery. You've got this. Day 6, mindful moments. Your mind is absolutely letting you know you're addicted to sugar. Ever wondered what a drug addict with no drugs felt? Congratulations, you're there. Practice mindfulness to control those cravings. When you feel the urge for sugar, pause and think, are you really hungry or just bored? Take a deep breath, and if you're still hungry, choose a healthy option. Day 7, reflection and reward. You have significantly reduced your sugar cravings and now have a 7-day foundation to finally stop. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel. More energy, clearer skin, better sleep. Celebrate your success with a non-food reward, maybe a new book, a bubble bath, or simply some me time. Remember, breaking a sugar addiction isn't just about removing something negative, it's about adding positive habits to your life. And if you slip up, don't be too hard on yourself. Every step you take is progress. All right, my lovelies, that's your 7-day sugar detox challenge. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health tips. Keep smiling, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!